Hello, my name is Nate, and this is my portfolio for evaluation process in OT. The way that I have my assessments organized are by the tabs on the side, and each one has a manual, form of the assessment, score sheet, a weekly lab sheet, and an article demonstrating the use of the assessment. So first going to open up, and it is a mind map of the OTPF and the OT process. And then when you go forward, you have the COPM manual. You have the score sheet, lab sheet, and an article. Moving on, we have the ACS manual, score sheet, lab sheet, and an article. Next, we have the EFPT, score sheets, lab sheet, and an article. Moving on to the KELS manual. Got the score sheets, lab sheet, article. Next we have the FIM. The FIM score sheets we did in class. And then an article. Lastly, we have the role checklist. And then the lab sheet. An article. And then here is a cross comparison of all the assessments. And then the Roman worksheets from week 1 through 6. And that is it. Thank you. Okay, so this is the second half of assessments and evaluation process in OT. Each assessment is divided into folders by cognition, coordination, environment, and vision. And lastly, Roman worksheets from week 7 through 10. Each assessment has the required material that I described at the beginning of the video. First, we're going to start with cognition. Here we have the Montreal Cognitive Assessment. We have the article, the lab sheet, manual, and score sheet. Next, we move on to coordination. Here we have the 9-hole peg test, the video, lab sheet, score sheet, article, and manual. Next, the box and blocks test. And then we move on to the dynamometer and pinch gauge. And then the groove pegboard test. And lastly, the Jepson-Taylor hand function test. Alright, and now we go on to environment. And here we have the Safer Home Assessment. So we have the form, the article, manual, and lab sheet. And lastly, the vision. We have a video, article, manual, score sheet, and then the Roman worksheets. And that is it. Thank you.